Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I gonna show different yummy and tasty chocolate cake decoration ideas, different chocolate cake topping ideas. You can make this cake and you can decorate this chocolate cake decoration ideas, and it's very yummy and tasty. You can see different chocolate cake topping, caramel cake, and unique and stylish. You can make easily at home. I hope you like my video. So viewers, please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and please share your friends and family members. And you can see more videos and press the bell icon and share your friends and family members, and you can watch different beautiful yummy home decoration ideas in my channel, different jute craft, paper craft video, paper arts, and etc. So Allah Hafiz, take care.